Day 37, day trading the market open in a small account. We have not as much excitement as we had yesterday, and it looks like I'm running a little bit behind schedule per usual. But hey, no preparation, just trades. VVPR. Ooh, VVPR is trying to do something fun. Let's see VVPR. Let's see what you got. You had a good day yesterday. 2 days ago you had a good day. VVPR. I got to remove this other nonsense though. Okay, BLNE. Let's go, boy. You're a little ways off of VWAP though, so I'm gonna wait for things to settle a little bit. I don't have any meetings today, so I should be able to control my trades and be patient and wait for a setup. But you know how that goes. So let's see. Hit the gym today. Feel like absolute Donald Pump right now. You know, you can go to the gym early, but it's still somehow late to the market open, you know what I mean? Because this is how we do it. Where I'm from, 387. VVPR, what did you do yesterday? VVPR topped at, or that's 2 days ago. What was it? Gap up today. Gap up from 390. Gap up from 292. Okay. VWAP at 321. This is voided now. 200-day moving average for BLNE right about meow. Not respecting it. Halt down's at 241, which is right at this red line right here. So let's see. This is looking nasty. 1 new minute starting now. Gotta watch this halt down level to see if it moves down anymore. VVPR bear trap, maybe. It looks, I was gonna say not too much green showing up until right now. So we'll see if that holds. 321. MACD still looks very nice. Very nice for the MACD still. Well, let's see. Let's see what happens. $365. Why did I mark 365? That's from way long ago. That is no longer valid. Oh, here you go. 1 minute to make a new high. 350. 350's got to hold. Ping pong over and around 350. Back above, back below, back above, back below. What's going to hold? Who's going to win? Bulls or bears here? Bulls or bears? Let's wait till like 360. 360 because I'm looking at this pivot here. Actually, no. Let's wait even more than that because that's a MACD. It's a MACD front side. It's okay. We're going to wait. We're going to wait. We're going to wait. Oh, OSRH. I don't know why I didn't see this one earlier. This one's up 144%. OSRH. Halt down's at 325. Lower band's at 331. 200-day moving average is at 350. 350 Tyson. It's got a lot of chop. It's a lot of chop though. VVPR, we're already looking at that. BLNE has a long way to get back to VWAP. That's really kind of the only downfall there. And if I do take a lower band, that means this 200-day moving average is going to be a problem right after the bounce. But it might be worth taking. 337 is this low. 319 is this low. Halt down, move down to 322. VVPR. Not showing any explosiveness quite yet. What's the general market up to? Okay. OS, RH, you're getting smashed, dude. But, okay, nasty little candle there on VVPR. We took the stairs up and the elevator down. It's generally what happens on red candles, though. Again, that another little bear trap got bought up there. 334 to 3. This thing could oh, I was hoping that would happen all in the same candle. This is no longer valid. It's just getting tighter and tighter up to that 387 area. Tape speeding up. There you go. Nice. Let's see if it holds. Man, that's ugly though. That's ugly. It barely got above and flashing below it. I think I gotta play some dips here until we get some real strong momentum. Gotta be playing some dips here, I think. Look, that's a nasty topping tail, Come on, get flushed on though. Get flushed on. Got lower band at 271. Which isn't gonna work because halt level's at 280. Okay. So we wait. BLNE getting any close to VWAP? Nope. But if you break down, maybe you could lower band. Yeah, halt down on BLNE is at 229. Lower band's at like 240. Don't want to get caught in this chop up here, so I gotta wait for something clean. Oh, baby. Oh, BLNE is had a 1 for 10 reverse split on 312. Interesting. VVPR. What you gonna do? I was really hoping we were going to get some follow-through momentum from the last few days, but that doesn't look like that's going to be the case. OSRH halt level moved down to 299. 1 minute to make a new high again at VVPR, but not explosive. Yeah. It's tough. It's like, and of course, this narrative can change, right? Once these shorts, or whoever keeps hitting it after the breakthrough, once they get kind of taken out of the equation, this might not happen the whole day or the whole actionable morning. But for now, that's kind of tough. So we'll be patient. I will say any dip that's gone slightly below VWAP, maybe I do play that. No, MACD's starting to roll over. I was going to say maybe I play the dip under VWAP and the bear trap. But I played the bear trap yesterday, but I think it was at like the very top of the candle. Decisions. Get through 4. Seller at 395. I haven't even been watching the tape really because there's not really an entry point that I love yet. There's 4. And right back on her. See, that's that shit, boy. Damn. How am I supposed to try to get dialed on something when every breakout just flushes right underneath? There. I just went to like, I went with a 430 and then right back down. See, this is just, all right. Quit bitching, kid. Just trade what you got. It's not always gonna be easy. Who said it was gonna be easy? MACD looking like it kind of made a reversal there, so that's solid at least. All right, if this thing dips underneath VWAP, I want to take the bear trap and a bottoming wick over 351. That's what I want to do. And that's the bottom line, because Stone Cold said so. Man, still so far off from VWAP. VVPR's got to be the focus. Flush. Let's go. What's the rush? What's the rush? There's no rush. No rush. Didn't that stock move like 400-something% yesterday? And now our top mover is VVPR at only at 78. It was pre-market at like 50. Where's the love? Where's the action? It's been 30% since the market open. Yeah, so it was at like 40% going into the market open. Weak. 410. I don't want to play the 1 minute to make a new high, so that doesn't really matter. It does matter. Need it. Okay. There's a break of 410, and there it is again. That's tough. That's tough to trade. Guess I could have played the break of 4. There we go. It needs to hold. Oh no, TD Ameritrade, don't do this to me. You're gonna get rid of my Zoom right now? Ay. Just typing in the wrong ticker. Come on, dude. I swear. New high there, 438. I need a pullback, but I need a Zoom. Okay. Nope. No love. Come on. There we go. Give me the Zoom. Thank you. Stupid. That's what happens when you use free software. Garbage. All right, VVPR is now at 93%. Let's wait for a pullback. I'm still going to wait for a pullback. See how it reacts to 450 here, though. Mental note. 443, 444, 445, 447. Testing 450. Rejection off of 450, and there wasn't even a big seller there, so that's interesting. Unless it was a hidden seller. Back down to 430s. Yikes. Okay. All right, that's okay, because we're looking for a pullback anyways. Maybe a pullback to 4. You know, I don't want to rush it, though. Let's look for something more clean. Look for something more clean with more explosive possibilities. You know, of course, that 10 cents is, you know, we only really look for 10 cents or so, but why not try to look for more? I mean, I got the time today, I think. $4.33, $4.31, green at $4.35, nice. Back to $4.35 though. Small seller at $4.40. VVPR. Oh, VVPR, you're getting close to... You're getting close to another daily range here. Don't think I realized that. 463. What happens if 463 clears? If 463 clears, we might be cruising. And OSPH, we got a little bit of a, not a little bit, you got a ceiling here that this baby's having a hard time with. All right, VVPR. Show the people some love. Show the people some love. This is definitely tradable up this way, but when you only have one or two trades, I mean, which one of those are you gonna, which one of those is the cleanest, you know? That makes it a little tougher. There you go, 466. Why am I zooming in so much? All right, crack the 466. That's big. Break it, break it, break it. Break it, give us some momentum. Give us some more momentum, I suppose. More momentum. More life. Hold down, OSPH is at 260, no, 286. VWAP of VVPR 382. VWAP bounce would be kind of nice because this is getting kind of extended, huh? This is getting kind of extended. Come on. Come on, VVPR. All right, you had trouble at that daily level, so that was a huge snipe. Oh. Yes. Yes. Yes on the panic flush. Yes on the panic flush. OS. RH. Get out. Jump out. Get out of the way. Get out of the way of the train. Sheesh. All right. I'm happy with that trade. You know, dust it off. Dust it off. Dust it off. It's nothing too good, but we'll take it. We'll take it. All right, got to get ready for a VWAP bounce here. How much money do I have available? Okay. Ready. Ready. I'm ready. Okay, I'm not going to play the 1 minute to make a new high. I think I've already discussed that. But let's see what happens, how it reacts to 446, and see if that has changed the reactions. Let's see, I really be popping my shit on a whole nother level. $446. 466 is really the problem, though. So I got off half on this last trade, and I wanted to let the other half ride, but I didn't want to get flushed on even more. Okay. MACD is in a range now, so that makes the 1 minute to make a new high less sexy. Got in at 333. Right there. Decent. Decent. You can come on down some more, though. I'll take another bounce. Come on down and test 321, unless you're scared, Mauve. What are you scared, Mauve? I need big volume to come in for that MACD to change. $445, $448, $443. OSRH looking like it might make another little flash crash here. Come on down. OSRH. Come on down. More. Fake breakout there on VVPR. This thing might flush too. Let's wait and see what happens to see if it gets a VWAP bounce finally near like 389. Nice pop there, OSRH. I stand corrected. OSRH. All right. Are you trying to curl, homie? You trying to curl? That's a good candle. That's a real good candle. 360. This thing could go back and test VWAP. Do we want to play the backside, test a VWAP though? I got these orders that are kind of blocking my judgment here. 363. A lot of topping tails, but we got some green in here. Seller. 355 seller. Ooh, got bought. $363. This thing could definitely test VWAP. Let's we don't want it to flash crash on us though. 363 is now. Kind of a nasty little doji candle we got there. Not super sexy. Seller at 361. 360 now. That's interesting. Seller got bought. Back under though. So this is voided. 369 now. Let's call it 370. All right, VVPR. So can I? No, I don't want to take that breakout trade though. I don't want to. I don't want to. 466 is key though. It's a key little area. Fake breakout. Give me the flush. Give me the flush. Come on, you already got the fake breakout. Why? Just get out of the way. Flush it down. Recapture. Let's go. That's what I want to happen. Speeding up. Tape speeding up. Let's see what happens. Rejection off of 460. Oh, cruise. That was a nice move. Let's see if it holds this time, though. Yeah. I don't think I have enough for the same amount of shares, though, now. I don't. MACD starting to cook again. Getting close. Seller 478, 477, 476. Ooh, that seller's walking that down, but it got eaten. Interesting. Muy interesante, boy. Strong candle, finally. Finally got a strong candle with not too bad of a topping tail there. OSRH. You gonna flash crash on us again? $48. OSRH 47. See you. I see you. I saw that flash crash brewing, but I thought it would be, I hoped it would be bigger than that. I'm really looking for a lower band on OSRH near 319, because if we just get a decent pop, I mean 5%, take that all day. Take that all day. Buyer got eaten there on VVPR. I'm having like mentally change my share size on depending on what buttons I push, depending on what stock I trade here. So I gotta be real careful of that so I don't get flagged. Let's go. Give a rejection off the EMA and 200 moving average. For 62. BVPR, you're trying to do some stuff, huh? You're trying. We don't really have too much blocking us above this 466 area, so I mean, we got another top at, well, yeah, 495. Back on April 10th of 2024, it looks like. But then what? Think we'd take this for the break of 5. It's up 112%. Let's look for 5. $470. Green at 474 there. OSPH, I see you. I see you looking like you want to fall through that floor here at 334. See you. Come on, seller, smack it. Smack it. Smack that all on the floor. Smack that, give T some more. Here we go. 318, give it to me, flash crash. Flash crash. Dang. No love. Speeding up, tape speeding up. On VVPR here. Who's going to win this battle? Buyer stepped in there on OSRH. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's try for 450. If it decides to do it. No love for 450. Pressure's still on. The pressure's on. This might not be the highest accuracy trade though. It didn't even get down to VWAP. VWAP bounce would have been nice, but didn't get that low. That low. Did I say that low? Didn't get that low. I'm in love with the shape of you. There's 450 Tyson. Buyer at 452. Ooh, buyer got smoked. Ping pong on around 450. That's a shame. That's a failed little bull flag right there. I mean, granted, it wasn't huge, but maybe MACD was the sign. Look at this, where we rolled over back here. So maybe this was just some fake buildup. Fake buildup of 16%, and then ooh, gave it right back. I'm in love with the shape of you. Damn, son. Where'd you find this track? $355. We don't have momentum though. So if we break 355, why would we even go test 369? There's the break. Let's see what happens here. $360. Oh, volume cooking up a little bit. Let's pull back. Let's get that volume relative to the rest of them. Yeah, not great still. Not great. Not great volume. But are you going to go test 369? That's really the question. If 369 breaks, will it test VWAP? Got some topping tails that say probably not. VVPR. What are you doing? Ooh, TRNR. Whoa, TRNR. That was nasty. Sheesh. TRNR just kind of blasted out of nowhere right here. I don't know why it didn't show up on my... It might have showed up on my scanners. I just didn't look at it. Well, that's gross. That's pretty disgusting, TRNR. I don't think I want to mess with that. See if this breaks 450. I mean, I would have to hold it for a long time, which means I'd have to risk more than I'm willing to lose. Because then you got to test 463, then you got to test, yeah, okay, I stand corrected. 463. What's the volume on that candle relative? It's just That's just alright volume. That's not great volume, so I'm not going to believe in that story quite yet. TRNR is trying to catch some bored buyers, was looking like. Alright, VWAP 415. I want to see it flush underneath, recapture 415. I want to try for a bear trap here. That's what I want. I don't want to play a VWAP bounce. I want to try to catch a bottoming wick. Not the bottom of it though, like a wick recapture. Just a slight wick recapture. That's what I want. We're stuck in a range here. So a range bear trap is still not super ideal. Oh, it did go test 369. Look at that. To a T. To a T. But how long would I have had to hold that? What level was I even talking? I was talking about 355. So it popped up, flushed, and then retested it. So it would have been shaken out anyways. I would have had a red trade on it. 15 seconds until a new minute. Light volume, although this candle looks decent. I'm not going to let that fool me. Volume's got to pick way up if this thing's going to do something fun for me. 1 minute to make a new high. There. Seller. 73. There's that seller again. If this holds, it should test 495. Is that seller gone there? I don't see that seller anymore. Let's call it 475. Alright, volume. Oh, I was going to say volume looking nice, but now it's looking terrible because it's going in the wrong direction. Alright, so we're still kind of stuck in this range here. Another fake breakout there for the 1 minute to make a new high for VVPR. Nice range there for a penny stock for AQB. MACD's not getting any love here for VVPR, so I think this thing still needs to cook for a little bit longer. Nice bottoming wick there on OSRH. Are bulls tired of getting played over here? And it looks like VVPR just keeps trying to inch back to the promised land, and then it gets smacked. Lower band at 286. We don't really have too much sexy action going on. Small buyer on OSRH at 355. What is gonna happen? Do something crazy. Do something crazy. 374. Needs that 374 break. That's light volume though for now. Oh, there's a 374 break. I just went right through it though. There we go. Test 5. Test 5. Test 5. Don't do it all in one candle though. Don't do it all in one candle. There's 5. Oh, you did it all in one candle, then you got smacked back underneath. Is it gonna hold 5? 5. There's 5. Under 5. Back over. Ping pong. Ping pong. OSRH, I see you. I think I have enough. Did I just overextend my buying power? No, I didn't. Let's go. And I already took half off the table. That's pretty, boy. Let's let this other half run a little bit. There's a buyer there at 327. Small buyer. Small buyer. Let's cook it. Let's rake it in. Let's go. Waited all day for something small, but I'll take it. Let's go. Hitting the Jordan, hitting the dollar bills, y'all. Let's go. All right, so let's recap the day real quick. That was a long trading day for just 2 trades, but recap the loss from yesterday, which I'm happy about, plus a little bit more. Somebody's probably going to ask, why didn't you trade VVPR? And the reason I didn't trade VVPR is because every time it popped through, as you guys have probably noticed, I like to play the 1 minute to make a new high on this kind of hyper scalping strategy. But if I'm playing the 1 minute to make a new high, this one here would have been decent. But look, we got this topping tail here. I might have been shaken out. Then you got another one here, didn't go very high, you know, that not a great risk to reward here. Then you got the flush down. Then you got another one here, would have been shaken out. Another one here, didn't really go anywhere. It's like it's not really resolving nicely. And yes, it did every once in a while, but with only having 1 or 2 trades in this small account, how am I going to be, from just seeing this action here, how is that going to give me confidence to take a 1 minute to make a new high if I would have just been shaken out this entire time there? So there were some clear moves there, but I didn't have the confidence to take it. This is probably one of the better ones there, 1 minute to make a new high, but then it went from 384 to 417, so that's a good one. But then the same thing happened here where it would have been shaken out. Might have been shaken out there, but so that's why I didn't play that. So, and I was really looking for I wanted to play, because of these 2 bottoming wicks here, this one and this one. Notice they came below VWAP and then recaptured, below VWAP and recaptured. I wanted to play a bear trap as things starting to heat up a little bit. Now, was it greedy on my part to try to play a very specific strategy and not trade what was in front of me? Probably, but like I said, I didn't want to play the 1 minute to make a new high. This was probably the best candle opportunity. That was an 11% 1 minute to make a new high right there over that 468. So I took a panic flush on OSRH. Didn't get to lower band, but it flashed. It was a quick little flash crash down. Jumped in, got in at 333, which is right where my arrow is now. And then I took a lower band bounce here. I hit the hotkey once, and then I gave it a second to make sure, because as I had mentioned 10 or so minutes ago, going back and forth from these tickers, I had to make a mental adjustment of how much share size I could use so I didn't go over, so I didn't get flagged for, using more buying power than is actually in my cash account. So once I realized I had enough cash, I hit it again. Looks like I got 4 cents higher. So the second ad was, not super fantastic because of that, but it is what it is. I took half off the table. My hotkeys, remember, immediately sell half if it gets to plus 10%. And then I let the other half ride. So closing out the day, $49 in profit. I'm happy about it. I'm all out of buying power. Thank y'all for being here. Drop a like. Let me know how you guys did on VVPR. Hopefully you had more conviction than I did for that one, because it's moved, from market open till now quite a bit of percent. So I'm out of here. Drop a like, drop a comment, spread love, be good to each other. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.